Hi friends, after posting the part number 1 for this haircut, now we are gonna start with the part number 2. And here what I'm doing is I'm raising the layers all the way up because she doesn't want very short layers. And then this will create some long layers or a lot of long layers, but not too short because she doesn't want them to be too short. So this is the way that I create my layers. I don't like to cut them too straight at the top. I point cut them so that they look more not uneven because I'm always following the line that I have, but more of a wispy end. So because that will create more of a feathery look, which I always like, because when you bring them down, they will look very nice and flowy. And that's what I want. So you can see that happening here. I always get a guide right in the center of the crown, and I start walking myself back as I did at the beginning. Then as I finish all around the circle of the head, then I will go and then I will start blending the sides with the top. I'm making sure that everything is connected. This is the way that I really like to do the long layers. Everybody is different. I know that other hairdressers may do it differently, but this is the way that I do it, and I just wanted to share with you. And on the front, many times I won't really go too short because sometimes clients will tell you, oh, you can go a little bit shorter, but remember, the hair is wet, and because the hair is wet, you have to be super careful because when the hair is dry, it's always gonna be shorter than when it is wet. Wet hair is always longer. So right here, I'm creating some feathery look around the hairline as well, around the face. And so then by doing this with the thinning shears, I'm always very careful with the thinning shears. Thinning shears are not my favorite, but I will use them around the hairline to create that feathery look that clients are looking for, or maybe because I like that. Some clients, they really like the feathery look all around it. It's not what I like, it's what the client likes, and that's what I told them. If that's what you like, I would do it. But I try to stay away from the thinning shears, but well, I do it around this hairline to make it appear more natural. And then notice that I just do it just on the ends, not too much further inside. Some clients will ask for the thinning shears, especially if their hair is too thick. They will always say, oh, Dania, do the thinning shears so that you can take some of the weight out. But look at how beautiful that looks. And then when it's dry, it's going to look fantastic. So I'm checking. I'm always checking. I'm kind of a perfectionist when it comes to haircuts. I always want a well-balanced haircut. I don't like to leave things hanging. I'm always following the line, and that's the way that I am. I'm always checking. I want everything to be connected. I don't like disconnection at all. I think that if everything is connected, everything will flow nicely. And I will just do a little bit of this on the ends, just only on the ends, so that it creates a little bit of that feathery look again. Even though I did the point cutting, but it's not the same. I think that this takes a little bit of that sharp edge out of the ends, and it looks more natural and more flowy, and she definitely likes that. And I don't go inside, and I just go like maybe an inch away from the ends. So this is my haircut, my long layers haircuts. You can definitely make it shorter by going shorter on that top layer right there that you are seeing right now. But look how beautiful it flows. I always love to pass my hair through the hair and see how it feels. I'm using right now the Absolute Repair Molecular Leave-In, which is great for blow drying the hair. It's fantastic. I love how it feels, and I love the weight or how it styles the hair. Actually, this leave-in L'Oreal Professional is a little bit grabby, to be honest. It's not as smooth as some other products that I have blow dry hair before with. This one can basically really definitely style a little bit more the hair as I'm blow drying the hair. And look at that, how beautiful it falls. It's just gorgeous. She has amazing hair. I love the way it falls, especially after those long layers. She was really in need of a haircut for sure. And when blow drying the hair, what I like to do is many times I like to, let's say that she likes volume, so then I will blow dry the hair on the other direction to give her more volume and more waves. And I'm blow drying up right now so that she can get a lot of that height. She's not she likes her blow dries to be very natural and not so slicky or slick looking. So this is the way that she wears it, and look at how beautiful it is. So she has a couple of nice grays going on, and it looks beautiful, and I love how it looks. So look at that. It's just flowy. It looks well on her. I love how it looks. I hope that this video was a great help for you guys. And you know, you just have to continue looking for more videos, because I'm gonna be posting more on all my social media channels. And then always hit the button underneath, and you know, it's always more for you to watch. Look at that, gorgeous. Let me know what you think. Take care, guys.